Ever wondered how companies like Expensify, who handle sensitive financial data, protect your account from unauthorized access? Do they rely solely on a strong password, or is there more to their security strategy? If you're using Expensify for your expense management, understanding their password policy and overall security measures is crucial. It's not just about remembering a complex string of characters, it's about a multi-layered approach to keeping your financial information safe. Expensify is well regarded for its robust security protocols, aligning with industry best practices and standards, including PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, which is the same level of security used by major financial institutions like Visa and PayPal. This commitment extends to how they handle user authentication. So, what exactly is Expensify's password policy? Well, here's where it gets interesting. Expensify has largely moved towards a passwordless authentication system for individual users. Instead of relying on a traditional static password that can be forgotten, guessed, or compromised, Expensify primarily utilizes what they call a magic code login. When you want to sign in, you enter your email address, and Expensify sends a unique, time-sensitive magic code directly to that email. This code acts as a one-time password, ensuring that only someone with access to your email can log into your account. This significantly reduces the risk associated with weak or reused passwords. However, the shift to passwordless doesn't mean a complete abandonment of traditional security concepts. While the individual user experience often revolves around the magic code, there are still layers of security that underpin the system, especially for corporate accounts and administrators. For instance, Expensify strongly advocates for and integrates with two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a critical extra layer of security that you can and should enable. With 2FA, even if someone somehow gains access to your email and the magic code, they still won't be able to log in without a second verification step, typically a time-based code generated by an authenticator app on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. For domain administrators, there's even more control over security settings, including the ability to manage 2FA for their team members. Corporate members with domain control might also have access to administer advanced security settings, which can include policies around how accounts are created and managed within their domain. This is particularly important for businesses looking to enforce their own internal security policies on top of Expensify's robust framework. Expensify also employs significant measures behind the scenes to protect your data. All data, including any remnants of traditional password information or your financial details, is encrypted both in transit, when it's moving between your browser and their servers, and at rest, when it's stored on their servers. They use HTTPS plus TLS for all web connections, ensuring a secure channel for your information. Their infrastructure is geographically redundant and undergoes regular security audits and penetration testing by third-party experts to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. In essence, while you might not be setting a complex password with specific character requirements as a regular Expensify user, the security is embedded in their magic code system and further amplified by the strong recommendation and easy integration of two-factor authentication. For organizations, the administrative controls and underlying data encryption provide a comprehensive security posture. It's a proactive approach to modern security challenges, moving beyond the sole reliance on static passwords to a more dynamic and layered defense. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.